Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to write if and else case in Python. So first open your ideally shell and click file and new file and control S to save this file, and here I'm going to save this file in desktop. Here condition and click the save button, and here I'm going to add a variable and I'm going to assign 10 here. Here I'm going to check whether the a is greater than 5 or not. If it is greater than, means I'm going to display a big, or otherwise I'm going to display a small. Okay, so here I'm going to write if here a greater than 5 and add a colon, and here I'm going to print big and click enter, and here I'm going to add a else case, and here I'm going to add a print. Here it is small, and we need to start else from here. This is the normal syntax. Okay, if you write else from here, means it will show error. Okay, I will show you. Here I'm running this module and it's showing invalid syntax here else, right? And if I put it back to here and if I click run and it's asking to save, click OK, and here big is printed. Yeah, now this 10 is greater than 5, this condition is satisfied, that's why this big is printed. Now I'm going to change this to 15 and I'm running this file. Yeah, I need to save this, and here small is printed because 10 is not greater than 15. That's why it's not printed this, it's printing here. Yeah, this is the if and else in Python. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.